Good morning again, folks. Good morning. It's 4:37 in the morning on October 13th on the Sunday, and this is the Word for Today, Part 2. The Word for Today, Part 2. And I got this message this morning when I woke up. As soon as I woke up, I got these messages. The first one was from Isaiah 41:10. So at 2:08 in the morning, as soon as I woke up, I got this word, this message. I am the Lord that strengthens thee. I am the Lord that strengthens thee. That's in Isaiah chapter 41, verse 10. Isaiah 41, verse 10. Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you. Yes, I will help you. I will uphold you with my righteousness. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Okay, folks, continue on. This is the 23rd Psalm, and he gave me these verses. And when you put them all together along with the other verses, you get the 23rd Psalm. So I'm going to go ahead and read each one of these together, and then when I complete the messages, I'm going to go ahead and read the 23rd Psalm in its entirety. So he says to me, He leads me into green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. That's found in Psalm 23:2, both of these. And then he anoints my soul. And it also reads, He restores my soul. That's in Psalm 23, verse 3. And then he skips a verse and goes, My cup runneth, overrunneth. That's found in Psalm 23, verse 5. And then Psalm 23:6, he says, Surely goodness and mercy will follow me all the days of my life. And then also in 23:6 Psalm, he says, I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. And then also in Psalm 23:5, he says, He anoints my head with oil. Okay, so those are all the messages I got from the Psalms. And I'm going to read the Psalm 23 in its entirety here in just 1 second. All right, Psalm 23 in its entirety. The Lord, the shepherd of his people. A psalm of David. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of death, yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup runs over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Okay, that's it for now. That's Psalm 23. This is part 2. The word for today, that's part 2, Psalm 23 and Isaiah 41:10. Everyone have a great day. Take care of yourselves. God bless you all. God loves you, and I love you very much. Remember, Jesus is coming soon. Get ready. Be ready for his return. Bye-bye for now.